Hello. Okay, so I just want to show you that there are some questions in students' mind that how this circuit have to be solved on multisim. Okay, so here, let me just have my. mm, okay, so we have this voltage source, right? This is current source. Also do remember that this is DC, and this is also DC current. Okay, DC voltage source and DC current source. Now just look at it. This is current source controlled by the voltage source. Okay, this is voltage source controlled by the current. Okay, so now we have to place these things accordingly. So let me just help you with this thing, how this will just help. Okay, so we have this V1 of 50 volts, right? This DC current. Now we just have this current source. So okay, so this is current control current source, and this one is current control voltage source. So we need this for this one. Okay, I can compare it this one. So okay, so you see this thing, the polarity, just see up the polarity here. Now we are just going to see the voltage controlled by current source, right? So we are going to see this. Okay, now we are going to revert this and invert this here. Just see the connections. Okay, now the question is that look at this Vx, we need to find this Vx and the Ix. Okay, so for the Vx we need here the positive polarity. So this one is a positive, just connected here, and this is a negative connected right here. Okay, now we see that this is the Ix, so where the Ix have to be found after this DC voltage. So we can connect it right over here. Okay, so now the next step is just see what is Vx. Vx is 1 by 4, right? So we are here 1 by 4, right? And now just see here Ix is 4. So we are going to this one is 4. Now take the props. I'll just show you. Take the prop of voltage right here. Take the ampere probe right here and connect it. So you have minus 4 voltage as Vx. The Vx value is minus 4 and Ix value is 3.64. So this is how you can just simulate this thing accordingly. I hope you understood this thing. Thank you.